Introduce highlight features or overview summary of CedarLuma Full Spectrum Infrared Sauna with FDA-Certified Red Light Therapy. There are features include: this sauna is equipped with 7 carbon fiber heating panels delivering a total power of 1170 watts, allowing it to heat up quickly and evenly. It reaches up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit in 45 to 50 minutes, saving time while consuming less energy than traditional saunas, perfect for daily home use. Multi-panel design ensures faster heat up, better heat coverage, and consistent temperature throughout the sauna, making it an ideal far-infrared sauna for deep relaxation and everyday wellness. This infrared sauna with red light therapy features a built-in red and near-infrared light panel, 660 to 850 nanometer, designed to promote relaxation, improve circulation, and support muscle recovery. At lower wavelengths, red light can also help improve skin appearance and brightness. Please note, for safe use, a dedicated protective goggle is included and should be worn when the red light is on. For wellness and relaxation purposes only. Designed as a low EMF infrared sauna. This unit uses 7 high-performance carbon fiber heating panels to deliver even full-body warmth while maintaining ultra-low EMF levels of only 1.4 to 2.6 mg. The full-spectrum infrared sauna design ensures comfortable heat penetration with added peace of mind for regular home use. Constructed from 100% solid Canadian hemlock wood, this far-infrared sauna offers excellent heat retention, long-lasting durability, and a natural wood aroma. No glue smell, no harsh chemicals, just a sturdy, well-insulated sauna built for comfort, stability, and long-term daily use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.